Hey, what's going on, guys? Lost with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we're doing another roasting your guys' shit box. It's one of my favorite series. Today I brought Biggs along, and we are gonna roast some shitty shit boxes. Are you excited? You haven't ever done this, have you?
No, and I'm really curious on how the audience is gonna take me roasting shit boxes, because I know that I've been in videos where they think that I buy Wish parts, which, you know, maybe I do, maybe I don't. But I mean, if you're gonna show me your shit box and you're gonna allow me to call it a shit box, then we're gonna roast her up. Let's go.
That's one thing to keep in mind, guys. These are all trucks that have been sent to us. We're not going out and picking on anyone. These people voluntarily sent their trucks in for us to roast. So just keep that in mind. Before we hop to, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, CustomOffsets.com. We're also doing another giveaway. We're both actually wearing the shirt today. And you guys can get Falcon tires, fuel wheels, and zone suspension. CustomOffsets.com/giveaway. Let's hop to it. All right, first up, we got Wesley. Hey guys, I'm Wesley, 18 from Minnesota. I've got a 2002 Silverado that I've driven through a pond in a snowstorm. It's got 33s on it, and it's tuned with a custom rattle can paint job to hide rust. Nice, Wesley. Nice. Hope I make it. I watch your guys' YouTube videos religiously. Thank you, Wesley. Totally appreciate that. Also, just bought a Ram. I'm gonna actually make it to a build with wheels, tires, and suspension from Custom Offsets.
Nice.
All right, yep. It's a shit box, Wesley.
It's pretty terrible.
It's not the greatest. Look at these rain visors. Like, just take them off. Wesley, just take them off. Like, there's less rain visor and more non-existent rain visors. Like, just take them off. They're busted everywhere. There's dents all over this thing. And that hood rattle can job, very nice. Really enjoy that.
What? That's how you open your door. You just.
There's like bungee cords to your mirror.
No, seriously, that's how you open the door. You just gotta pull that thing and it just opens right up.
Nuh-uh.
I swear.
How? It's attached to the damn mirror.
It's a shit box. He had to do what he had to do.
Why would he have a bungee cord going to the mirror to open the damn door?
He took a hatchet to his handle, so he doesn't have an outside handle. So he just pulls this and it opens from the inside.
Oh, you're saying if we were to stand outside?
Yeah, how do you get in from the outside? Yeah, so he tied it to his mirror so it doesn't, you know, flop around. And he pulls that like a little truck horn. It opens the door from the inside.
This is a piece of shit. Wesley, I like it though. It's a good job.
I mean, it's a piece of shit, yeah.
Steve gives the best rim jobs.
I'm speechless already. I don't even know what to say. I mean, it looks like someone took a combine into the side of his truck.
Yeah, this thing's churched. Yikes. Nice truck, Wesley. On to the next one.
This is so hard for me to do because they're so fucking bad.
All right, next up we got Brooks Grove. Hi, my name is Brooks and I'm 16 years old. This is my first car, so I haven't had much time to work on her. Also, don't mind the sub box. I just have it in there because I'm too lazy to take it out. The missing door panel, it's because I have it off to fix the window motor. I actually don't really have anything bad to say.
I don't either. Yeah, take that sub box. I mean, or put a sub in, I guess.
Yeah, and obviously this is the door panel that he's talking about. That's just fixing the motor on the window, and past that, I would say I'm very impressed with the interior. Interior looks super clean.
Yeah, it looks better than Junior's Bronco.
Exterior looks like it could use a little bit of work. Personally, I don't dig the two-tone that's going on right here. You got some peely boys on the hood.
Gives it character.
Yeah,
I feel that.
The bumper's a little chooch. It looks like you took it off-road. Your front wheels look beefy as hell, and I don't know what the hell's going on in the rear back here. Look at the rear. That looks f***ed. Why is that like that?
He smashed his fog light into the bumper.
Yeah, that thing is in there now. Nice and flush. He went for that flush job.
I mean, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I might just put some cubes onto the back of my bumper and just hit it on the wall.
Just crush it into the wall. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comment section if you want to see Biggs do that.
Don't let us know.
10,000 likes, Biggs will back into a building.
Fuck.
Okay, yeah, I would just say, obviously it's a solid start. It's your first vehicle. I'm not gonna roast you like fucking crazy, but obviously the two-tone paint job, not my favorite thing. The interior is actually fairly clean. Everything else, it looks like you're from like North Carolina, so that's why it's pretty clean.
You're halfway to doing what Junior would do to this thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, it looks like you can take that whole piece off. Your paint job is nowhere near perfect, so maybe just rip those things off and let her eat and see what happens. Just because those are ugly as hell. Jesus. Looks like nursing home steps up into the door, to be honest with you. You know, like the ramps.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Damn.
Other than that,
Rest in peace, my grandma.
yeah, other than that, I don't hate it.
Well, that's what we got for you, Brooks. Nice first whip. I dig it. All right, next up, Travis Schneider. He's got a 1990 Dodge Ram D250. It's been through a lot, like lost brakes and went into a garage door. It's got half of a set of dually in the back. What?
What is that?
What's that even freaking mean?
Oh, is that
Travis?
That means it's a dually and he only has.
Oh, police showed up to take the box away.
He ran it straight through.
Is that a damn? Oh my God. Rest in peace, your garage door, Travis. Or your mom's garage door.
Honestly though, like the fact that he ran through the garage door in the front end of this truck doesn't even look like anything happened to it is hilarious to me.
Dad's gonna be pissed.
Full send.
Full send, yeah, full
He
send
rattle
into the-
can full send on the back.
Full send into the damn. What the fuck is going on here? Why is that like that?
It's because it's a dually, but he only has one set of tires on it. So he only has the outers, he doesn't have the inners. I think. I'm gonna go with that.
Travis, why? Why? Half these trucks I see, I just want to go see in person. And I just want to see them fucking just beat the shit out of these things. Because I feel like he's just doing this because he just doesn't give a shit about it.
I feel like jumping like ditches with this would be kind of fun.
Yeah. There's a common trend in this series too. They're always like the 16 to 18 year olds.
Yeah.
Which I can't lie, when I was 16 and 18, I beat the ever living piss out of my first couple vehicles.
I want to say I wanted to or was going to, but it was too clean for me to do that. My first truck was really nice. The condition that I got it in, like, it wasn't shitty at all.
Yeah.
So like I couldn't make it shitty. Now if it was shitty and I knew it was shitty, then I'd probably, you know,
Right.
yeeter off-road something.
Travis, fix your mom's garage door, fix your brakes.
Take this to the salvage yard, get the money for the truck to replace the garage door. Win-win.
I like that idea. We're gonna end that on that idea. All right, next up, Quentin. Hey, Custom Offsets, my name's Quentin. I have a 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500 with a 5.3. Is gone through hell and back, and then back to hell for its final resting place. 2010 Chevy headlight, light bars, LEDs all around, straight pipes, manifolds back. Not much of a storyteller, but the pics do most of the work. All right.
Oh.
Oh my God. Quentin.
You put way too much money into
Quentin.
this, buddy.
Yeah.
Quit.
Back to hell, you were right. This thing, there's no coming back from this. What is going on?
Why do those look like newer generation?
They are.
Headlight.
He's got a 2000 and he put 2010 headlights on. And look how fucking massive they look. Oh,
This is
man,
bad.
this is the best one I've seen since we started this series. This is,
I mean, I'll give it to them. They don't look good, but you made them work. I don't know. I don't know how you made them work, but you made them work.
oh man. He's got like boost out tow mirrors on there. He slapped two newer generation headlights on there. He's got like the LEDs along the bottom.
He has. Are those like? Is there 3 whips in the back? Like just in a line.
I think there's actually 4 whips
This is bad.
in that light bar. Holy, that's ugly. That thing is massive.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of light bars because I'm 12 years old, but
He's got light bars on top of his light bars. Why? Why is there that many light bars?
or what are those? What are those?
What are those? He's also got like a little tiny like almost like a light bar, but it's not a light bar, underneath the license plate as well.
He is literally trying to show people how shitty his truck is.
And
like
then-
he's lighting his whole truck up with light bars, saying, "Look at how this is bad."
I can't tell what wheels you have, but my guess is it's nothing f***ing great. And then at some point you added some lights on top of the truck, which, okay, cool. Your truck is red with like the gray two-tone on the body, and then the whole front end is black with big ass chrome bumper.
I'm gonna just say that you should sell those tow mirrors, sell every light on there, and hope to break even on the truck, which doesn't look very hard to do.
And all of his captions just say Mud Life, or LED lights, or light show, night lights, color halos, custom. Oh, it's f***ing custom, all right.
It is real custom.
Oh man.
It's about as custom as you can
Quentin. Who knows? Maybe, you know. How old's Quentin?
get. 15.
Why'd you say 15? That's rude. But I like it. I don't know. I could talk about this pile all f***ing day long. Quentin, nice truck, buddy.
Oh,
Keep
it's
doing your
beautiful. I love it. Yeah, fuck that
Fucking
mic.
rip!
Yeah, fuck that microphone.
Well, that's what we got for you guys on today's roasting shit boxes. Once again, if you guys want to be featured, you guys can send in your submissions to tv@customoffsets.com. Also, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories to freshen up those shit boxes, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.